Hello guys, spend my day with me as a data analyst living and working in Lagos, Nigeria. So I've been preparing for work. It was like a get ready with me video, but I just decided to merge. And this is just a reminder that this video actually has two sessions, which is the morning before work. Yeah, that was when I got to the office, and then after work on my way home. So it's not fully a day in my life. This was me dressing up, carrying my bag and getting ready to actually leave the house. I was already running late, but yes, I had to create content. Hi guys, good morning. I'm so late. I don't know how I managed to actually be late, this late. But I'm on my way now. This is my street, that's my hostel, and yeah. I actually got to the office early enough. Like, in fact, a lot of people had not resumed, and this was my view from the office. So guys, I'm at the office now. I'm trying to work on something. This is my seatmate, so this trying to sit beside me, guys. I don't know why. I don't know why. Anyway, I actually want to eat breakfast and I don't know what to eat. This is Zaya. I see your skin. This is the sticker owner. She's giving us sticker. She brought sticker for us. Okay guys, I'm picking this because why not? I'm pretty. Yeah. I can't even cover this Quai 7 stuff. Oh my god, pretty girl. Is this something else? So if I put this one here now, the two of them are like together and there's space for the laptop. Maybe you want to take a mental break and you use this place. Do you understand? My life without a mirror picture or without a mirror session. I usually come here every day to take videos, guys. Blushing. Hi, baby. Yes, this is Mona. This is Gen Z people. Are you graduating groups? Why is you don't use more than one sticker? I think you already say women. Yeah, men don't use more than one sticker. There she is. You guys, this is not weird. You guys, that's some clear. Which one in my video? I know you like this. Because we're about to start a meeting now. People that paid. Guys, I didn't even remember that I was actually vlogging. I'm just getting to my street now. As you can see, wig is out. You understand that my day wasn't exactly like chilling. I had to work to do. In fact, I'm not done. I'll still have to continue when I get settled, but I need to get food because I've not. You guys, would you believe that I've not actually eaten any real food today? I ate the snacks they gave me at the office as lunch, and then for breakfast I had coffee and chin, like a very tiny portion of chin. Just approaching my hostel now, guys. I'll see you guys when I go and buy food. I was actually so tired, I couldn't continue the video. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Kindly like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.